Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to my channel. Now, the Nifty has been rallying. It was a dream rally. In September, Nifty expired around 10,800. Now it is around 13,800, which is a 3,000 point rally. And the Bank Nifty has rallied about 10,000 point, which was almost 50% rally. Now, everybody is asking one question. How long this rally will continue? When the market may reverse? What is the trigger? Is there any event which can trigger either a further rally or the reversal of the trend? And I'm going to discuss about a key event that is likely to trigger either another leg of rally or a reversal. To make things simple, let me give you an analogy. In India, we have Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and a party needs to have majority in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Then only if they want to bring any important bills, the bills have to be passed through both the houses. The same way in US, they have House and Senate. For the last 12 years, if the House is with one party, the Senate was with another party. That was the reason why a lot of bills got delayed. Even you may remember, once even the US government was shut down for a few weeks. The government servants were asked not to come to the office. And such is the tug of war between the two parties there, Democrats and Republicans. We also see every time the negotiation between Democrats and Republicans are going on. They have not agreed, and that is why the US stimulus has not come, and it keeps extending. Even the last Friday, there was supposed to be an agreement, but there was no agreement. Again, it is extended. The bills can be passed very easily only if both House and Senate are with the same party. Now, this year, the Democrats have won the elections. Joe Biden will be the president from next year onwards. But the problem still remains. The House Democrats have the majority. In Senate, they don't have the majority. The Senate has got 100 seats. Out of that 100, Republicans has 50 seats. Democrats have 46. And two people are independent, and both the independent are mostly supporting Democrats. So we can say Democrats has 48 seats. Republicans 50, Democrats 48. So still for two more seats are left. For those two seats, there is going to be an election on January 5, 2021. So that election outcome can be a very, very big event risk for the market. First, let us discuss both the cases. Assume that Democrats lose. That means in Senate, Republicans will have majority. In House, Democrats will have a majority. This tug of war will continue for another 4 years. The bills cannot be passed so easily. Whether you like it or not, US is the mother market. And when mother market having a lot of uncertainties, all over the world also will follow the same thing. Now we look at the second case. In case both the seats are won by Democrats, then what will happen? In Senate, Democrats will be 50, Republicans will also have 50. But again, there is a key risk. The two independents, as of now, they are supporting Democrats. There is no guarantee that they will support Democrats on every issue for the next 4 years. So that's a different issue. But as of now, we assume that those independents support Democrats. So in that case, both Republicans and Democrats will have 50 seats each. So if any bill comes to Senate, and there will be 50-50. That's a tie. So as per US Constitution, if there is a tie, the Vice President will have one vote. The Vice President, Kamala Harris, is from Democrats. So I'm sure she will be voting in favor of Democrats only. So in that case, all the bills can be passed very smoothly. What the country faced last 12 years and next 4 years, and things will be in for a good change. So on January 5, the two seats, Senate seats from Georgia, is going to be a key event for stock markets all over the world. And if Senate seat, out of the two seats, even Republicans win one seat, then the majority will go to Republicans and this problem will continue for next 4 years. And in case if both the seats are going to Democrats, then we can expect one more big rally. I will not be surprised if Nifty touches 15,000 in the next 6 months to 1 year time. So we can expect another leg of rally all over the world. So until then, fingers crossed and wait for a January 5. And thank you for watching.